Hello YouTube. We're going to discover together if this is a copper motor or if it's a Japanese, dirty Japanese. It's a I need a smaller one. Be right back. That was 19 millimeter. I need 18. Stupid metric crap. Ooh, baby, those are in tight. Yeah, I'm busy getting another load ready for the shred yard. Alrighty. This is just the magnet part. See, it's all magnets. This guy. Is he copper? Is he aluminum? I need different sockets. And I'm fighting against the yellow jackets right now. Beautiful day. Can't argue with the weather. Yeah, it's an anvil one, eh? I like this one. That's why I keep using it. It's not your typical impact gun. You see, it's got just the socket for the anvil for the sockets. Oh, jeez. If I get the right size, we'll be doing all right. What is it, 10 millimeter? See, no editing on this one. And yeah, I'm losing my voice, so perfect timing to go get another COVID shot. Bronchitis has been acting up big time lately. See that? 14.4 volt. Those are nice bolts. Too bad there's no use for them. In the trailer they go. Okay. Come with me if you want to live. You get to see my new workbench. It's a freezer. I haven't fixed it yet. Okay, are we copper? That's all I dragged you out here for. Don't want to waste your time. Oh, look at that, eh? Does that look like copper to you? Where is it? What do you think? Come on, focus. It's not white. See? Beauty. He's a heavy guy too. So there we have it. Another copper motor. Got some trinkets out of here. I just got to get the rest of the hydro wire out. Oh, and there's a pump down there yet on the other end, but I'm going to take this one completely apart because I got a request for the drum for a fire pit again. Me and a buddy have been selling them, and I've been doing the work, and he's been selling them to his friends, and they've been selling. So can't argue with that, right? Get more out of that than going to the scrapyard. I don't know what that is. Looks like a little motor. I'm not an appliance repair guy, so I don't know. I'd have to ask Carmack 1. He's the appliance expert. Okay. There's the motor. It's the pump way down there. So I'm gonna flip the machine around and get back to you. Ooh, almost forgot that little trinket. See it right there? Shame on me. That's got a big copper nugget in it. What a shock, eh? I gotta dig it out. Yeah. There we go. Look at that, eh? Got a couple copper nuggets in there. Woo! Lots of silicone too, holding that board in. Okay. Gonna set you right there. There's a circuit board or something right there. Okay. Might as well take the door off, right? Gonna be in the way anyway. Nice little chunk of cast aluminum there. I don't normally take this apart because normally my appliance guy takes everything, but he brought me this one, so we traded. Kinda. That's how you come off. Couple screws. Think those screws are stainless? I wonder. You need a magnet. Yes, they are. Okay, there's more circuitry under here. I knew there was. You got plugs sticking out, right? Oh, look at that. Still goes as a circuit board. Nothing special like in the US of A, but and we got more plastic for the blue box, so yeah, that'll go in the circuit board box. I get a few pennies for it. Better than no pennies, right? Okay, what's still holding you? Something's still hugging it. I have no idea. And obviously that boot's no good because he would have kept it. That's not holding anything, I don't think. No. That's just the door switch. My finger in there to get that screw out. It's probably stainless. Yep. Doesn't even want anything to do with the magnet. Ah, there's the stinky getting plug. Well, pry bar, time to work. What the hell's holding me in? I really don't know. How are you supposed to get those screws when they're underneath? There we go. Check it out, there's a pump right here. It's very stinky. That's what I was after. Can you see that? Are you even in the picture? This little guy. You have a nice copper motor on him. Should. Same idea as the dishwashers, just a pump. Yeah, see? Look at that. Told you. So if you guys don't plan on stripping washing machines, you just flip it upside down, you can get that pump out very easy. And you get a nice copper motor. Okay, we gotta strip the rest apart because we're gonna go after that drum. Those are nice bolts. Look how heavy of a thread they are. Oh, weighs a ton. You wonder why these things are so bloody heavy. Here's part of the reason. There's the other one. And that's it for the blocks. Okay, I need to get everything apart. I'm going to grab my extension. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm having issues getting the drum out. This bearing right here. Oh, there we go. Voila. One fire pit. Alrighty, YouTube, where was we? I had a bolt stuck in my socket, so good old Chinesian crap, right? I got to get that pivot off of there. Okay, this one is not working right. I'll be right back. Wow, these are nasty bolts. I've never seen them like that before. They don't give you much of a head to grab a hold of either. I had to switch sockets because the other one got stripped already. Yeah, and I think this one's stripped now too. Oh, the head is. So. I don't know why it's stripping it. They're stainless steel to boot, so they're not going to come off the best. Okay, so I got one that won't come off. Is that going to be a problem? Wow, that's in there tight. I gotta try and get that one off. I'm gonna end up using a grinder. Everybody knows I don't like my grinder. I don't like grinders, period. Good thing it was just the one. I ended up pulling it right through. I think that's cast aluminum. What are you in? There's magnet. Magnet on a string. Yeah, I ain't getting that bearing out of there. I ain't even gonna try going in as irony aluminum. Sorry about that. But anyways, got a couple plastic thingies inside. They just got one screw actually. See if we can do that. There you go. Probably stainless too, right? Yep. Anything to do with that much water, right? Okay. Usually how these goofy things pop out. There's a clip here, okay. There's a clip on each one of them. I need a smaller screwdriver. Fine, if you want to bend that way, then go that way. I don't care. Just a little clip here. Now see, I ain't putting this back together, so I don't care which way I bend the clip. There. One fire pit, you can see the fire through it. Apparently people like those better, so you can see the crackling fire. So anyways, YouTube, come on, let go. That's it. Now I just got to put pieces on there. I'm slowly getting it loaded again. All them lawnmowers are missing their motors. Yeah, so yeah, I got one more dishwasher. Haven't tried the trick with that freezer yet. And everything that's over here, the shopping cart, all that piping. It's just a tarp tent pipe frame. I was going to put it together. It's missing a few pieces, so it's no good. That bed rail yet. That guy, I don't know. Somebody wants some parts off it. I want to take the starter off yet, so it's going to sit there for a bit. So yeah, that's all heavy and irony aluminum. So well, that's just cast. They don't take it as auto cast, even though it's manifolds. So okay, like, subscribe, and share, or not. These are the goodies, some of the goodies. You saw the nice little motor over here. I might hang on to this freezer because it makes a good little workbench. It's the same height as the tailgate. See that? Look at that. Yeah. So I got my mat back because I've unburied it. That's how much I've cleaned up already. I watched somebody take these apart. Apparently there's a couple batteries in here. I forget what scrapper did it, but there's a motor in there and a couple batteries. So I do not have the charger, so I don't even know if these things work. Be fun to know, eh? So one dishwasher yet, and all my vacuums. So all you see in there is vacuums. It's a one power washer yet. But they don't produce much shred, so they just produce nice copper motors. So anyways, like, subscribe, and share. Probably said that already. It's about 4:30 in the afternoon. Enjoy your day, rest of your day, your night. Just take care.